Think you've got your bench press locked down? Here's the truth. Most people who bench every week are actually putting their shoulders, elbows, and even their lower back at risk without realizing it. The bench press isn't just lying down and pushing weight. It's a skill. And today, I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. Let's start with what I see all the time in the gym. The bar bouncing off the chest like a trampoline, elbows flared out so wide it looks like a T, or the opposite, elbows tucked in like a push-up gone wrong. And of course, my favorite, the infamous bench press dance, where the hips are flying off the bench. Now, each of these mistakes isn't just sloppy, they're dangerous. They overload your joints, rob you of strength, and keep you from building the chest, shoulders, and triceps you're actually here to train. But here's the kicker. Fixing them doesn't mean pressing less weight. In fact, once you get the form right, you'll actually lift more safely and effectively. So what's the secret? It starts way before you even touch the bar. Think of it like building a skyscraper. You wouldn't stack glass windows before laying a solid foundation, right? Your bench press is the same. If your setup isn't stable, the whole lift crumbles. And the setup alone is where most lifters fail before rep number 1. Here's how to build that foundation. Feet first. Plant them firmly on the ground, slightly behind your knees. Imagine you're trying to push the floor away. This locks your lower body, back, and shoulders. Pull your shoulder blades together and down into the bench, like you're tucking them into your back pockets. This creates a stable shelf for your upper body. Grip. Hands just a little wider than shoulder width. Think about bending the bar in half. It engages your lats and sets your elbows in the right track, eyes under the bar. You don't want the bar starting too far forward or you'll waste energy just unwrapping. Now picture this. If your elbows flare straight out, it's like opening a door by slamming your shoulder against it. Not efficient and definitely not safe. Instead, keep them at about a 45-degree angle. This way, your chest does the heavy lifting, your shoulders stay protected, and your triceps kick in like support beams. And let's talk bar path. Wrong form, it's straight up and down. Correct form, the bar travels in a slight arc down toward your lower chest, then back up over your shoulders. That path keeps the weight aligned with your strongest muscles. Here's a game changer. Breathe and brace. Before every rep, take a deep breath into your belly, like inflating a balloon under your rib cage. Then hold it as you lower the bar. This turns your core into armor, protecting your spine and boosting your power. And for those chasing perfection, think about leg drive. Press your feet into the floor as if you're trying to slide yourself up the bench. Done right, your whole body becomes one solid unit, turning the bench press into a full body lift, not just a chest exercise. So, quick recap. Feet planted, back tight, grip solid, elbows at 45 degrees, bar path in a controlled arc. Breathe, brace, and drive with the legs. That's the formula for a bench press that's not only safer, but stronger. Here's my challenge. Grab an empty bar or some lightweight, set up properly, and hit 10 flawless reps right now. Feel the difference, the control, the stability, the power. That's what benching should feel like. Master this, and every rep you do from here on out will build more strength, more muscle, and more confidence under the bar. Keep practicing, keep refining, and remember, strong form builds strong results.